In the last class, one problem was incomplete. I will complete it. F of x is equal to sin x minus cos x. Here, find the maximum and minimum value of the function. F of x is equal to sin x minus cos x, where x lies between 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. So find the maxima and minima. Find f dash of x. Find f double dash of x. Take f dash of x to 0. We'll get some x values and substitute those x values in f double dash of x. If f double dash of x value is negative, the function is maximum, and the maximum value is obtained by in f of x taking that critical point. The x value what is called critical point, or it's called extreme point or maximum. Okay, maximum point or minima. In f of x, you take the critical point, you get maximum value. If f double dash of x at the critical point is positive, then f of x is minimum at that point, and minimum value is obtained by substituting that critical point, means value of x, point of minima or simply minima, in the function f of x. Okay, so that is the procedure. F of x is equal to sin x minus cos x. Differentiating with respect to x means you have to take d by dx, each and every terms in LHS and RHS. D by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of sin x, minus is there, right on the minus, d by dx of cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x, d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. Sin x differentiation is cos x differentiation minus sin x. This minus as it is. Minus into minus is plus. Therefore it is f dash of x is cos x plus sin x. Again differentiating the function f dash of x with respect to x to get f double dash of x. We are differentiating f dash of x once again. To get f double dash of x, differentiate f dash of x once again. Differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of f dash of x is equal to d by dx of cos x plus d by dx of sin x. D by dx of f dash of x is f double dash of x. And cos x differentiation is minus sin x, sin x differentiation is cos x. After getting f dash of x and f double dash of x, now take f dash of x to get the values of x. Okay, that's the step number 2. F dash of x is 0 means cos x plus sin x is 0. What I did here is cos x is shifted to the side. It will become minus cos x, and again it is cross multiplied, because minus cos x means minus 1 into cos x. When it is cross multiplied, so here minus 1 remains. Sin x upon cos x is minus 1. Tan x is equals to sin by cos is tan x is minus 1. Tan x is negative. Okay, negative means a negative number. Minus 1 is a negative number. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, tan x is negative means x belongs to which quadrant? Tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant. And in second quadrant have 180 minus. Minus how much you have to take? Second quadrant 180 minus. Fourth quadrant 360 minus. Okay, third quadrant 180 plus. Again 180, pi means 180. Minus, look here, the value of tan x is 1, numerical value. Sorry, positive value is 1. Minus, but it is minus 1. Minus 0 the second quadrant equal pi minus. But 1 0 pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, that is the first year technique. So then LCM is taken. 4 pi minus pi, that's 3 pi by 4. One critical value or one extreme value of x is 3 pi by 4. And tan x is minus 1 means I can take within 0 to 2 pi. Mentioned here, x is within 0 to 2 pi. Therefore 0 to 360 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು angles ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Therefore 360 means in fourth quadrant is also allowed. 0 to 360 ಒಳಗಡೆ x ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Because 0 to 2 pi is the given value of x. Fourth quadrant below 360 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One more value let us take 360 minus pi by 4. Again 360 what? Tan is negative in the fourth quadrant. Fourth ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ 362 pi minus how much? Tan x is 1 means x is pi by 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 pi 2 pi ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ tan is negative in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant here over here 2 pi minus. That's why 2 pi is taken. 2 pi how to move to the fourth quadrant? 2 pi minus. Minus how much? By chance if it is 1, then it is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 1. Therefore pi by 4 is taken. So LCM 4 to 8 pi minus pi. That's equals to 7 pi by 4. Two critical points I got. One is 3 pi by 4, another one is 7 pi by 4. Now these are to be substituted, these extreme values of x are to be substituted in f double dash of x. If f double dash of x comes out to be negative, then f of x is minimum at that extreme point, and if double dash of x comes out to be positive for that x value is the point of minimum. Then how to get the minimum and maximum value? In original function f of x, to substitute those x values. Okay, we get minimum and maximum. Now f double dash of x at x is equal to first critical point 3 pi by 4, first extreme value 3 pi by 4. It is the f double dash of x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ 3 pi by 4 minus sin 3 pi by 4 and cos 3 pi plus cos 3 pi by 4. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. sin 3 pi by 4 means pi by 4 into 3, 135. Sin 135 is what? Sin 180 minus 45, allied angle technique. So 180 360 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sin 180 ratio does not change, therefore sin only is sin 55. But one sin ಬರಬೇಕು plus or minus 135 belongs to second, in second sin is positive, therefore plus sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore minus sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. And the next one is cos 135. 3 pi by 4 means 135. 3 into 45. Pi by 4 means 45. 3 into 45 is 135. Cos 135 is equals to cos of 135 180 minus 45. That's equals to, again 180 ratio does not change, cos 45, but 135 belongs to plus or minus allied angle below 360. Plus or minus here. 135 belongs to the third quadrant. Sorry, second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Therefore minus cos 45. Minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore it is also minus 1 by root 2. So LCM is taken 2 to say, therefore minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 upon root 2. Minus 2 is nothing but minus of root 2 into root 2. Upon root 2. 1 root 2 cancels. Therefore it is minus root 2. Minus root 2 is negative. Therefore f double dash of x is negative at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. F double dash of x is negative at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. Therefore f of x is maximum at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. F of x is maximum at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. F of x is the maximum at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. F double dash of x is negative ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ f of x is maximum at x is equals to 3 pi by 4. Therefore maximum value of f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? In f of x, you take x is equals to that point 3 pi by 4. To get the maximum value in f of x, you have to substitute the x value. That is f of x is essentially sin x minus cos x. Another x is 3 pi by 4 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 315. Sorry, 315 ಅಲ್ಲ. Sin 135 already ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1 by root 2. Cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2. Therefore this minus of minus is plus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 LCM. And denominator is same. Numerator adds up. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by root 2. What is 2 by root 2? 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. 1 root is cancelling. Therefore root 2. Another critical point, x is equal to 7 pi by 4. Another critical point you got now. X is equal to 7 pi by 4. In f double dash of x, take that critical point, extreme value is the critical point or extreme value. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? f double dash of x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, minus sin 7 pi by 4 plus cos 7 pi by 4. f double dash of x ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ 3 pi by 4 37 pi by 4. Second critical point is taken. It is 7 pi by 4 equal to 7 into 45, 315. 7 into 45 is 315. Sin 315 is sin 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45 is always 360 180 will work. Ratio does not change. Sin only. Sin 45. Our 360 minus 360 plus is ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ angle ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If 360 180 ratio does not change. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ which quadrant? Fourth. Fourth is original ratio sin negative, therefore minus. Sin 45 1 by root 2, this minus 1 by root 2. Same with the cos 350, but cos 315 is plus 1 by root 2 because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. However, minus sin cos 3 plus sin. Cos 315 is cos 180, sorry 360 minus 45 plus cos 45 because 315 belongs to fourth, that is cos is positive. Now, therefore, at x is equals to 7 pi by 4. Therefore, this here it is minus of minus 1 by root 2 is minus 1 by root 2. 7 pi by 4 cos pi 1 by root 2 minus of minus plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1 denominator same way. 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus numerator 7 pi by 5 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 by root 2. Denominator same aita, numerator add aita. Now 2 is root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 cancels. Therefore root 2 is a positive number. Therefore f double dash of x, I got positive means f of x is minimum at x is equal to 7 pi by 4. How to get the minimum value? The point of minimum. Minimum value of the function is f of x ನಲ್ಲಿ x is 7 pi by 4 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Therefore minimum value of f of x is f double dash f of x is 7 pi by 4 direct ಬರೆದೆ in f of x. f of minimum value maximum value ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ f of x ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂತ value ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಇದು a critical point of extreme value of x should be substituted. Okay. f of x sin 7 pi by 4 cos 7 pi by 4. Sin 7 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Cos 7 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. But here minus sign minus. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 is minus 2 by root 2. Minus of root 2 into root 2 upon root 1 root 2 cancels. That's minus root 2. That's all. Okay, I had given two homeworks. One is sin x plus cos x, but x is 0 to pi by 2. X 0 to pi by 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. 0 to 2 pi ಇಲ್ಲ 0 to 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ extreme value for x you are getting. Okay, try that one at home. And actually in this topic too many theories are there. I don't know, I am going to teach it in brief, what are necessary for examination, that only I will take. And here is the problem. Find the statement problem. Usually on this topic statement problem will be asked. Some 7-8 statement problems are there. Let us solve one by one. Find the maximum value find the two numbers. The question here is find the two numbers. Statement problem usually topic the ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, find the two numbers whose sum is 24. Numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible, and whose product is as large as possible. As large as possible. Find the two positive numbers. Second one, find the two positive numbers. Two positive numbers find the two positive numbers whose sum is 16. Sum is 16 and whose cube is minimum, and the sum of whose cube and the sum of cubes is minimum. the two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Find the two numbers whose sum is 24. I have worked out two numbers x and y. Sum is total. X plus y is 24. Product is as large as possible, means x into y. Product means multiplication. X into y should be as big as possible. We have to work out two numbers, say x and y. What is the condition given here? Sum is 24, means x plus y is 24. Come on, the addition. And product means multiplication. X into y is as large as possible, maximum. Large means maximum. Okay. Let x and y are the two numbers. Take two numbers as x and y. Find the two numbers. Let us take it as x and y. At x and y are the two numbers. Given that x plus y is equals to 24. Okay, call it as equation 1. So time being you leave it as it is. But which function in the statement problem, which function is to be differentiated? So which one is maximum, large, minimum, like that? That function is to be differentiated. So which one is maximum is telling whose product is as large as possible. Large means maximum. Therefore product function is to be differentiated. A product of product is equals to, okay, product of x and y is p. Simply let us call it as p. P is equals to x into y. Okay. Then the product is p. P means product. P is x into y. But two variables are the x and y. Reduce it to 1 by the given equation 1. Okay. So that the technique in this statement problem, two variables are there in the right hand side. You x or y, reduce it to single variable by the earlier given information. Okay. X plus y is 24. If two variables are there in the right hand side in maxima and minima statement problems, in the function which is to be differentiated, in the statement problem, which is large means maximum, which is minimum, small, is mentioned. That function you have to take, and that function should have single variable. Okay. So that is the technique. X plus y is equals to two variables are there, that should be converted to single variable by this particular equation. X plus y is 24 means y is equals to 24 minus x. You can eliminate x or eliminate y. Better to eliminate x. Sorry, eliminate y. Therefore, p is equals to this x into y is now 24 minus x. That is the main technique of this top section. So, statement problem, maxima and minima problem. So, the function which is to be differentiated is to be worked out, and it should have a single variable. It should be expressed in single variable. Therefore, p is equals to multiplying x at 24x minus x square. Okay. Now, that function is to be differentiated because product is maximum. Product is large is mentioned, is product is maximum. Therefore, maximum function is product. The maxima and minima, f of x is maxima and minima means f of x is to be differentiated. Here, product is maximum means product function p is to be differentiated. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. Also, f dash of x and f double dash of x. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. dp by dx is equals to d by dx of 24x, 24 the constant outside, minus d by dx of x square. dp by dx, differentiating with respect to x means you have to take d by dx, is equals to 24 into x differentiation with respect to x is 2x. For 24 minus 2x. And now, dp by dx I got. Differentiating again with respect to x. So in the statement problem, second order derivative will work out later on. Okay. Second order derivative work out what later on. So only first order is enough. Since p is maximum, for p is maximum, product is maximum, dp by dx is equals to 0. Take dp dp by dx is 0. Okay. Again, p is maximum on the right. Therefore, take dp by dx is 0. Therefore, first order derivative 0 to the therefore 24 minus 2x is 0. Therefore 24 is equals to 2x. Therefore x is equals to 12. X is equals to 12. Okay, I got the critical point. X is equals to 12 on differentiating dp by dx is equals to 24 minus 2x. Let us work out y. Y is equals to, what is the y value? It is 24 minus 6. Is equals to 24 minus 12. We got x and y values. We have to work out x and y values. But at these x and y values, if the sum is 24x, 12 plus 12 is 24. Is it the product is maximum? Means second order derivative should be negative. Let's see, is it second order derivative is negative? Yes or no? If for x is 12, then sum is 24. I got sum as 24. X is 12, y is 12, sum is 24, and the second order derivative should be negative. Then only negative means the function will be maximum. That's the second order derivative negative. dp by dx is equal to 24 minus 2x. Maximum second order derivative should be negative. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. d by dx of dp by dx is equals to d by dx of 24 minus x. Okay. D by dx of dp by dx means second order derivative, that is d square p upon dx square. D square p upon dx square. 24 differentiation is 0, x differentiation minus 1. Okay. 24 minus 2x it is answer. Therefore minus 2. Negative of that. Therefore d square p by dx square at x is equals to 12. P is minus 2. X is 12. In the equation no x at all. Therefore no question of substituting x. Therefore minus 2 remains d square p by dx square minus 2. Second order derivative only. X is 12 plus x I got it as 12. That minus 2 d square by p by dx square minus 2. Minus 2 will x equivalent. Therefore minus 2 remains same equals to minus 2. Therefore second order derivative negative ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the function is product is maximum at x is equals to 12. Therefore the function is the product. Function is the product of the product is maximum at x is equals to 12. Already we got the numbers. X is 12 and y is 12. Very simple one. So question is find the two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Okay. Therefore let us take the two numbers as x and y. X and y are the two numbers. Given that x plus y is equals to 24. One given information. Product is as large as possible is mentioned. If let us take product of the product function, which is maximum or minimum is mentioned, that function is to be taken and single variable. It should have single variable. So p product of x and y is product multiplication is x into y. Two variables are there, reduce it to 1 by the given information. X plus y is 24 means y is 24 minus x. We have taken 24 minus x. X into 24 is 24x. X into x is x square. And differentiating with respect to this dp by dx is the simple one, 24 minus 2x. Again, time being in the statement problem, equate dp by dx to 0. Later on, let us work out the second order derivative. Actually, second order derivative is not necessary, okay, for the statement problems. So, no need to take the risk, take the second order derivative later on. 24 minus 2x is 0, therefore x is 12 we got, means y is also, y is equals to 24 minus x, therefore y is also 12. X is 12, y is 12, okay. Therefore dp by dx, I got x and y value. I do have to confirm that at x is 12, y is 12, function is maximum. No, means second order derivative should be negative. second order derivative is negative, then the function is maximum. That's all. Let's work out the second order derivative. dp by dx is 24 minus 2x. Differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, d square p by dx square. 24 differentiation is 0. Minus 2x differentiation is minus 2 into 1. 24 constant 0. 2x differentiation, 2x differentiation is 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So therefore, d square by p by dx square at x is equal to critical point to substitute. Extreme value substitute in second order derivative. d square p by dx square is minus 2. X is equal to 12. Then it is minus 2. Negative will be there. Okay. Therefore, the product is maximum at x is equal to 12. Second order derivative is negative means the function is maximum. Okay. Second one, find the two positive numbers whose sum is 16, x plus y is 16, and the sum of cube is minimum. X cube plus y cube is minimum. I will give the layout, but you have to work out complete same one, but let x plus y is equal to 16. ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 15 ಡೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಫೀಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲೋ ಹಾಕದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಆಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಷ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದೇ ನಾನೇ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಯಿತಾ, ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ನಾನು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಕೆಲವರು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುವಷ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಗುವಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ 80% ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು 60-70 ಆಯಿತು, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಕೆಲವರು ಬೇಸರದಿಂದ, ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸರ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೇಸರ. ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 8 ತಿಂಗಳ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು, 8 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 8 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಒಂದು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತೊಗೋತೀರ 15-20-30 ಸಾವಿರ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಗೆ 10 ಬಾರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತಾ. 10 ಬಾರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು 15 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬೈಜೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಕಲಿಯೋದೇನು, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ. ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತೇವೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಾದ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಪೇ. 10 ಬಾರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 100 ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. x plus y is equal to 16. Then sum s is equal to x cube plus y cube. S means sum. Sum is equal to sum of cube. Sum of cubes is equal to s. S has taken. Sum means plus. In a cube and I have to x cube plus y cube. So have the single variable. S is equal to x cube plus y is what? 16 minus x the whole cube. Okay. Y is 16 minus x the whole cube. Now because the expand easy agutte. S is equal to x cube. It is better still. So differentiate with respect to x. Expand barutte. This function because sum is minimum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Now differentiate this one. Take ds by dx to 0. You will get x square. And d square s by dx square is to be worked out. That is to be x value is to be substituted in d square s by dx square. And if you have to get x d square s by dx square as positive.